So you would change your graphics card very similarly to changing any other component on your computer. The main thing to remember is always ground yourself whenever you're touching anything inside your computer. Ground yourself by simply touching the ground and also the case of the computer. So when you're inside the computer, you'll see the motherboard, which is basically where everything gets plugged into. And I have a motherboard here that will show you. And this is what it looks like sans the dust. And right here, you'll notice that it's a different color than all the other connectors here where a card would go into. This different colored piece is generally going to be your graphics card slot. Some motherboards even have 2 of these. But this one here is particularly an AGP slot, and I have an AGP card here to kind of demonstrate how these things are put in. So you just take the card, and there's usually a latch on it that latches in the graphics card when you're actually done with it, see, or when it's snapped into place. So I'm going to just push it in here, and that's it. And that's how you pull one out. Usually the latch is done here at the end here. You'd undo the latch and then unhook the one that you currently have. And then take your new one and snap it back in there. And usually you'll hear it click, and you'll know that that's in place. Also, on the back here, where your connectors are when you take it out of the box, will be on the back of your computer. It'll be perfectly lined up with the case that you have. So that's another way you can kind of tell things are firmly in place. Also, a good indication that it's in place is that the computer doesn't start beeping profusely when you turn on the machine after you install the card. And that's pretty much how you change out a graphics card.